Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Is it possible to see rectifier waveform on oscilloscope without use of differential probe? This is a question from my viewer. When we are using oscilloscope and we want to measure rectified voltage, rectifier output, first we need to determine either that voltage are isolated or unisolated. If any voltage source that is coming directly out from wall socket, that is unisolated. If we have output from any transformer, that is isolated. We will see unisolated voltage, live voltage. If we want to measure unisolated voltage, the most safe option is to use battery powered oscilloscope, that is handheld oscilloscope without line power. That is expensive, and if you want to measure voltage for one time, or we are not measuring regularly, that time we can compromise on simple oscilloscope. When we are measuring line voltage, there are some special points which we need to observe carefully. This ground terminal is directly coupled with this third pin, that is ground pin. If we want to test any unisolated voltage, we may use isolation transformer. That time we will not use the third pin, the safety ground. Although it is not a safe option, but there is no other solution other than this. We will use 2-pin plug. If you don't have isolation transformer, that time we will power up directly. I connected to direct line voltage. When we want to measure unisolated voltage, we will not use 3-pin plug. When we want to test any unisolated voltage, we will not touch metallic probe, metallic point, or any metallic chassis of the oscilloscope. Set probe to 10x attenuation. And disconnect all unused probes, test leads from oscilloscope. In channel menu, I will switch to 10x, that I am using 10x probe. I will use this 1 mega ohm resistor as a load resistor. And I will use a rectifier. I connected rectifier and 1 mega ohm series load. Now I will connect line voltage. If you don't have good experience in electrical circuits, in electronics, never do this experiment. When we want to test signal and we want to inject line voltage here, we will not make connections when power is applied. And when power is applied, signal is connected, we will not touch any metallic part of oscilloscope. First I will make connections. Now I will inject line voltage here. Yes, the wave shape is here. If needed, we can set auto set button, so it will align automatically to the grids. If needed, We can adjust voltage per division, we can adjust time per division to plot the waveform on the display. Just only stop. We took sample. We will disconnect line voltage. Now we can analyze this wave shape. This time we are receiving positive half wave. Same time, if you want to measure direct line voltage, high side here and low side we will connect here at line input terminal. That time we don't need these rectifier components. Here it is showing peak to peak voltage 672 volt. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.